Welcome guys. India, the name is enough to shake the whole world at once. This is a land of purity, a land of unity in diversity. And the Indians are the most unique people in the world. Unprecedented diversity is present amongst the languages, religions, dance, music, architecture, food and customs of Indian people. Literally 1.35 billion Indians differ from each other on the basis of social values, ethical values, traditional customs, belief systems, political system, etc. within the country. Today we are going to discuss 23 amazing facts based on which Indians are different from the people of rest of the world. Fact number 1. The way Indians greet each other by saying Namaste amazes every foreigner. Namaste means I bow to you. People of no other country in the world greet each other with such politeness. Number 2. Indians treat guests as their family members. There is a tradition of saying Atithi Deva Bhava. It means the guest is equivalent to God. Indians always treat the foreigners as their guests. Number 3. Indians are peace-loving people. History testifies that till date no Indian has invaded any part of the world. Indians know how to live in peace despite having enemies on all sides and give the message of peace to the whole world. Number 4. Indians are always in festive mood. There are endless festivals and holidays in India. Christians celebrate Christmas, Muslims celebrate Eid, Sikhs have birthdays for Gurus, Hindus have Diwali, Holi, Makar Sankranti, Jains have Mahavir Jayanti, Buddhists celebrate Buddha's birthday and so on. People of no other country in the world celebrate so many festivals. Number 5. India is the home of the largest number of vegetarians. Near about 40% of the people of India are vegetarians. People of all other countries are now becoming vegetarians after seeing Indians. Number 6. When the rest of the people of the world use shampoo to clean their hair, Indians of some remote villages use a certain kind of mud called Multani Mitti. There are of course some logical merits behind this. Actually the very first forms of shampoo originated in India. Number 7. Indian people still practice arranged marriages. The idea of arranged marriage system originated in India in ancient times and this is an integral part of Indian traditions. About 74% Indians believe in arranged marriage more than love marriage. Number 8. Indians still use twigs of different herbs and plants having Ayurvedic properties to clean their teeth. The modern science gives ample encouragement to this. It is much better using paste made from different chemicals every day. Number 9. You might be surprised to know that Coke and Pepsi are used as pesticides in some places of India. The farmers in the Chhattisgarh state of India spray their fields with Coke and Pepsi products to remove the insects that commonly destroy crops. So the Indians are always ahead of times. Number 10. It is a custom in India to eat food with your fingers. Most Indians eat food, meat, vegetables, etc. with only their fingers. This is truly an amazing fact about Indian people. Number 11. India has one of the lowest divorce rates in the world. According to data, the divorce rate in India is 1%. About 1 out of every 100 marriages. Indians commit themselves to marital and family life. Number 12. The people of India believe in God. Less than 2% of people in India define themselves as atheists. India has all religions in the world and they mostly believe in their gods and practice religions. Number 13. Indians speak 23 official languages. If two random Indians meet on the street, there is only a 35% chance that they can understand each other due to many languages. India is the only country in the world having so many official languages. Number 14. Indian women wear saris, which is over 5000 years old. It is a traditional single cloth ethnic wear for Indian women. They wear saris both in cultural and religious festivals. Foreign girls will surely be surprised how much suits the girls after sari. Number 15. Only 3% of Indian citizens pay income tax. Can you imagine this? India is a country of 1.35 billion people and only 3% citizens pay income tax. Yet, India is the world's 5th largest economy. Number 16. Indian women still use the oldest form of body art, that is called mehendi. It is a temporary skin decoration usually drawn on hands and legs by Indian women. Different body arts and designs are created by using a paste from powdered dry leaves of the henna plant. Number 17. There is a village in India which is most probably the safest on earth. The village of Sani Signapur is famous for not having a door or lock on a single house. Yet there has not been a recording of a criminal act for almost 400 years. It reveals the honesty among the Indians. Number 18. In India, police officers are given higher pay for having a mustache. This happens in the state of Madhya Pradesh in India. The police officers believe that having a mustache will earn them more respect, so they are given a slight pay upgrade. Number 19. Indian women own roughly 12% of world's gold. Women in India are fond of wearing different types of ornaments made of gold. Their 12% share of world's gold is more than the combined reserves of Germany, USA and Switzerland. Number 20. Fire plays an important role in an Indian wedding. During marriage, the bride and groom recite the sacred verses and take 7 steps around the fire. The fire acts as a witness to the ceremony. Number 21. Mr. Jayona Chana, a man from the state of Mizoram, owns the biggest family in the world. He has 39 wives, 94 children, 14 daughter-in-laws and 33 grandchildren. In total, his family consists of 181 members. Families in India stay together under one roof. Number 22. The people of India transported first rocket of India by a bicycle. In 1963, ISRO launched the first ever rocket, which was transported on a bicycle to the Thamba launching station in Kerala. It happened only in India. Number 23. Above all, the Indian people have a big heart. Indians provided shelter to more than 350,000 refugees who came from different neighboring countries. The kind-hearted Indians made the India an incredible India. That's why the world is looking at India. Hope you understand why the Indian people are like from another planet. Thank you for watching this. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon to get notification of our videos.